Actually, it's Madrid.
No. Actually, my real full name is Madison Edward.
It's not Edward.
Julia Samantha Rose Goodnick. Okay, so there was a tornado going on.
Ooh, gloves.
We're gonna make a chicken. Ooh, you painting. Ooh, a phone. I can't do it! Try it! What am I doing? How do you make a chicken? Chicken! Okay.
It's gay.
Let's get a tour of this laundry room.
No, that's not.
There is some spray paint. Ooh. We got some pink. Oh, this is when we made our shirts for Valentine's Day, but I was sick. And some high performance, fast drying junk. Where did Maisie go? Maisie! Maisie! Maybe she's in the freezer. Nope, she's not in there. Ooh. Maybe she's in that dryer.
I got Maisie! I got stuck!
Get out!
I was looking because I heard a scary noise.
That's our hiding spot for when the tornado comes.
No.
Uh-oh! It's coming! We have to sign off. Over and out.